welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into M1 Finance Crypto Review for 2025. Is it worth it or should you leave it? Let's get right into it. M1 Finance lets you invest in crypto through their unique P system. This means you can build diversified portfolios with automatic rebalancing, perfect for hands-off, long-term investors. You can trade crypto on weekends and even on demand, which is the great since the crypto markets never sleep. The best part, no commission fees for M1 Finances. But keep in mind, Apex Crypto, the company that handles the trades, charges 1% fee on the crypto transactions. Now, some drawbacks. M1 uses custodial wallets only, meaning you don't hold your own private keys. Your crypto is stored by M1's partner packet. Also, you can't send your crypto to the external wallets yet, so you're limited if you want to full control. The coin selection is a bit limited too, mostly big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, not great if you want more altcoins. Some users have also noticed that M1 crypto's price can lag behind other exchanges by 20 to 30 minutes, which might affect your trades. So, should you use it? If you want a simple, automated way to add crypto to your portfolio and don't mind custodial wallets, M1 Finance is a solid choice. But if you want a full control over your crypto, external transfers, or more coins, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If your review this helped, please hit the like, drop comment, and subscribe so you don't miss on more crypto finance updates. See you in the next one.